between rooms, FYI. So be careful. Yeah, not a surprise. BIMI along with SES early dump off, guys and gals. Holy crap! Goldman Sachs is flying. All right, yeah, well, we're good. I'm happy. Julia Mike India Alpha JMIA, one of the Chinese tech names that IPO'd this year. Actually, a pretty good move today so far. They were actually risk off towards the end of the day yesterday, but they were a pretty nice mover the 2 days prior. So let's keep a close eye on them. Halliburton on my list. You're not a low flow penny name. Yeah, it's a fairly flat open, guys.